Quad lock is one of the most popular cell phone holders out there. In this video, I'm going to do a quick unboxing and a quick install. Hey, I'm Lavatronn, and on this channel, you get quick motorcycle how-tos and product reviews. Also tips to help keep you safe on the road. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button down below. Let's go.
The first thing I'll say is that Quad lock ships out super fast. In these times, companies aren't shipping out as fast as they used to, but Quad lock is still getting it done. Small details like this pull tab here make the unboxing experience so much better. So here we have the mount and all that it comes with. This right here is the major selling point, the dual locking system. This is what secures your phone to the mount. Quad lock does offer 3 different types of mounts for motorcycles. I chose the handlebar mount because that's the one that best suits my motorcycle. You do get ring adapters that fit the most common handlebar sizes out there. Let's move on to the phone case. The phone case features the dual locking interface, an impact-absorbing shell, and it's got this nice fleece lining inside. Before I go mount this on my motorcycle, I just want to show you how easy it is to put together right out of the box. The first thing you want to do is locate a good spot on the bars to mount the quad lock. Place the mount in that spot, pop in the adapter, and make sure everything fits okay. Then close it up and tighten the screw. Next, you want to straighten the arm to your liking. Then just simply tighten it. You can also adjust the dual lock at this point, and you're done. You can now easily secure your phone to your motorcycle with no worries. Just in case if you were wondering, I did use my phone to film this, that's why it's missing from the case.
I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, ride safe and see you next time.